Listen, this is an incredible story, Oliver. It seems to have taken the market and traders a little bit longer to catch up. But by all accounts, and I'm talking about from the head of FERC, from the head of the IEA, the International Energy Authority, we are drastically behind in terms of the ability to keep up with the demand that is going to be generated in the next 5 years because of AI data centers. And by the way, it's no coincidence you saw BlackRock coming in and buying an $18 billion portfolio. You had multiple $10 billion plus announcements of funds to buy AI data centers. You've got this investment by Microsoft. And what does all of this point to, Oliver? It points to one thing. There's only one place that we're going to be able to get that enhanced demand, and that's nuclear, right? So you've seen uranium, which was a sleeper and a left for dead commodity for the past 10 or so years. You've seen uranium reaching what I think was an all-time high earlier today. And any of these names that are in and around that nuclear and that micro-nuclear story, OKLO is one of them. And by the way, we did have some pretty big unusual option activity going into the end of last week in this name ahead of this announcement, which is why we watch that type of trading so carefully, because it often tells us something big's about to happen. But man, you have just heard the beginning of this nuclear story as it relates to fulfilling the voracious demand for those from data centers.